Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we're going to have a look at another calendar for Christmas calendar, and how that works. It is counting down the days until Christmas Eve, and as you see, this is in the shape of a football, which is pretty cool in my opinion. You have to fold the whole thing, as you can see. I'm not the best person in folding, so I did use some tape as well, but in general, it just folds up and holds together as most of the parts, as you can see. Got some nice numbers, nice looks here. As a football fan, this is, yeah, definitely a really cool find. And then you can open up these compartments. You can throw in whatever you want. We just have some candy in here. Nothing too fancy and special on our side, but whatever. And then also you can have that football be standing up, because that makes kind of sense. I mean, you can have it lying around, because it gets this little base, which is, yeah, kind of like a football field. Not really, but like it's supposed to be one. And it has all these phrases and stuff, and you're just gonna set it on top. Whoops. And then it's standing up just like that. So, yeah. Merry Christmas, you all. Until the next time, I'm out.